Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Monday, October 12th. And guess what? It is really no school today. Yay! But school will start tomorrow. I'm hoping that you look at this video because I have some very important announcements for everyone, virtual and in person. So let's get started. I want you to pause the video and go grab some pencil and paper, or go grab your mom or grandma or someone, because these announcements are so important, okay? All right, let's get started. I hope you paused. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. And as I share my screen, you're going to see in-person and virtual. Okay, let's start. If you look on the in-person side, guys, have your parents tell you, let your parents not drop you off at the front of the school. They're going to be dropping you off on Libby side. Libby side is also where your classroom is, which is upstairs. So those of you that need to be dropping sisters off at their door, you can't do that. So let's make sure you let parents know or grandparents know. So I'm hoping you went and grabbed them for this video, okay? We will start breakfast at 7:30. So you will be in the classroom eating your breakfast, and we will stop promptly at 8 o'clock. And so probably about 7:55, Ms. Carr, you're going to be like, hey guys, wrap up, put your things up. And at the same time, I'm hoping that virtual kids are sitting at home having your breakfast at the same time. What's so amazing about the in-person and virtual is that now you guys are all together at the same time. So school starts at 8 o'clock for in-person, and school starts at 8 a.m. for our virtual. So you should be logging in at 8 o'clock. Also go look at the stream, parents, students, for announcements. And if you didn't get your schedule, see your email. If you still have any questions, please email Ms. Collier down here, or call or text me, and I will respond today. Even though there's no school, I will still try to help you out and respond. Now, I also need everyone today to focus in on all missing assignments. All missing assignments. I'm going to type that right here because it's important that you guys do. Oops. I didn't realize that was like that. I'm going to put that in red too. And I'm going to make that really huge. And I'm going you to complete all missing assignments. This is very important for virtual and in person, because grades have to go in at the end of this week. Any assignments that is missing, that is your failing grade. And I would hate for you guys' first 6 weeks to just be a bad grade. We don't want to see anybody repeating any grades, right? We want to make sure that we stay and we move on to 4th grade, correct? All right. So, again, I hope that you were able to look at the video, and I will see you guys on tomorrow at 8 o'clock.